For fifth one, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number obtained. So once again, see for each of the following, what they have given here, the questions they have given, so that each of the following the numbers, okay, given. Find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. Okay, number. Also find the square root of the square number obtained. Square number obtained. Now first one, let us see how to do this. Okay, here first one, 1008. 1008 is equal to 2 into, that is how we got 2 into 2 into, here see, 1008 factorize. 2 5s are 0, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 5s are 2 5s are 10, then 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 1 remains, so 12, 2 6 are 12, okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, again 2 3 2s are 3 1s are. Why I have changed here 3 means from 2 it is not dividing 63. So from 3 it is dividing, next prime number is 3, no? So 3 2s are 3 1s are, correct? Then 3 7s are 21. Now here we have to write what we got here, prime factors. 1008 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Then 1008, see here each number has a pair, that is 2 has pair here, again another 2 has pair, 3 has pair, 7 has no pair. So therefore the smallest number here what we have to multiply is here 7. Okay, both the sides you have to multiply 7. 1008 into 7 is equal to all this into 7 into 7. Then square root of 7 8s are 56, 5 7 zeros are 0 plus 5 5, 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7056. Square root of 7056 is equal to what we got here in pairs, that single we have to take. So 2 into 2, 2 you have to take, 2 into 2, 2, 3 into 3, 3, 7 into 7, 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Okay children, so square root of 7056 is equal to 84. Okay, now next let us move to next problem. 2028 have taken fourth problem. 28, similar way you have to factorize. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 10, 0, it is not dividing, so it is 0, 2 7s are 14. Then again 3 1s are 3, 2 remains, 3 6 are 2 remains. Okay children, here 2 remains, 20, 3 6 are 18, 2 remains, 2 9s are 27. So again 169, in which table it is dividing? So we have a square number, is it not? So square number 13, 13s are 169. So that is why children, so whatever I have given table, square root, that is square numbers I have given. 13 square is 169, I have given already. So please learn the table, then only you can recall very soon. Otherwise now you will be dividing, you will be searching which prime number, in which prime number it is dividing. Okay, so learn properly. Then next 2028 is equal to 2 into 13 into this 13 into 13 into 3 last. Okay, 2 into 2 into 13 into 3, 13, that is 2 has pair, 13 has pair, but 3 has no pair. So therefore we have to multiply both sides, the smallest number 3. Okay, 2028 into 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 3 into 3. So here 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 2s are 6, 2, 8, 3 zeros are 0, 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, square root of 6084. What is the answer then? That is equal to 2 into 2. So we have to take 2 only, 13 into 13, 13 only, 3 into 3, 3. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 6 13s are 78, or else 13 2s are 36, sorry 13 2s are 26, 26 3s are 78. Okay children, so therefore square root of 6084 is equal to 78. Now So in this exercise, that means in this fifth main, we have another some other problems, that is first, second, third, fourth, that is first one, second one, fifth one and sixth one. Please try to do it, you will get. Okay children. Okay, then next sixth is, for each of the following numbers find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Okay, so once again see here, for each of the following numbers find the smallest whole number, similar to previous one. Okay, by which it should be divided. In our previous fifth main, what we did, we multiplied, but here we have to divide. That is the difference, that's all. So also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Okay, now here I have chosen in this sixth main, fifth one, 2800. So 2800, when you factorize, you have to factorize here also. Okay, if you factorize, what you get, see how to factorize. Once again I am repeating many times children, factorization, so please try to learn. Okay, learn, you have to learn, otherwise you feel very difficult. Okay, see 2 ones are 2, one by one slowly I am saying. See here, 2800, no, in which table it is dividing, in which prime number. Okay, which prime number it is dividing? 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 0 0, 2 sevens are 14, 0 0. Why I have chosen 2 here? Because 1400 is divisible by 7, 2. Okay, 2 sevens are 14, 0 0, 2 threes are 6, 1 comes here, 2 fives are 10, 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 1 remains, 2 fives are 10, then 5 threes are 15, 2 remains, 5 fives are 25. But I have chosen 5 here instead of 2. I have taken here, that means 2 here. Then I have chosen 5 because the unit digit what you have here, 5. So it should be 5. In which tables you will get a 3, 5 like that. Okay, so here 3, 5, 3 it is not, okay, 3, 5, 3 it is not dividing, so therefore I have taken 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25, then 5 7s are 35. Okay, now 2800 is equal to 2 into 2 into, like that, whatever you got you write it here. Then again 2800. Okay, 2800. So which one is not having pair? 7 is not having pair, so therefore you have to divide by 7. So if you divide 2800 divided by 7 is equal to 2 into all this, divide by 7, 7 7 will get cancelled, then 7 ones are 7 fours, that is 400 you get. Okay, 400 is equal to all this you write. Okay, leaving 7, then what you get here, see here, 400 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Square root of 400 is equal to 2 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 2, 5 into 5 is 5. So 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20. Square root of 400 is equal to 20. Okay children. Next let us move to seventh problem, seventh main. The students of class 8th of a school donated rupees 2401. Okay, donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Okay, find the number of students in the class. Solution: number of students in the class is equal to square root of 2401. 2401 is equal to 2401, 2 3s, that is see here 1, the last digit is what students here, it is 1, is it not? But from 2 it is not dividing, correct? All even numbers are divisible by 2, but there is no even number in the unit digit, so units place. So therefore in which table it is dividing? From 3 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 3, it's not possible. 0 is there, 1 not possible. The next table 5 is not possible, 4 is not possible, 8 is not possible, sorry 7 from 7, next 7 3s are 21 is there, correct? So let us see that 7 3s are 21. Okay, ma? 7 3s are 21. How much is remaining? 3 is remaining. 3 0. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 2 remains. 7 3s are 21 again. So please carefully see that, listen to the video, okay, carefully, and then try to learn. Then again this 343 is divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28, correct? Remaining is what? 4. Sorry, 7 4s are 28, remaining is 6. Okay, 63, it will become 7 9s are 63. Then again 49 is there, 7 7s are 49. So therefore we got here for 2401 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So to the square root of 2401 is for 2, you have to take 1. For 2 another 2, 7. 7 7s are 49. Therefore the number of students in the class is 49. Okay. The next main is 8th main. 8th main. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Okay, see, you must understand the question very carefully. Okay, here total, that is 2025 plants, total number of plants are here 2025. They have to be planted in a garden, okay, in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. That means here you have to understand each row is equal to number of plants in each row. Okay, then find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. So total plants is equal to number of rows into number of plants in each row. Okay, it is given in the question itself. Total plants is equal to number of rows into number of plants in each row. Okay, into, and here it is given number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row. Okay, both are equal. So each one we can treat as this as x and this as even x, because both are equal. So therefore number of, see, that's what, since number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row. So let us see this one. So total plants is how many? 2025. Okay, 2025 is equal to x into x. Then 2025 is equal to x into x is nothing but x square. X is equal to square root of 2025. Then x is equal to, how to find out 2025? Certainly if you see, you cannot. So better you can go for prime factorization. So in prime factorization, 5 from 5 you can divide, is it not? You can divide from 5. Since the last digit is 5, units digit is how much? 5. So therefore I have chosen here 5. Even you can take 3 also, you can try. Okay, 3 6 are 18. See here, 3 6 are 18, 2 remains. 3 6 are 18, again 25 remains. 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. It is not possible. Okay, so therefore from 3 it is not possible. So that is why next option is what? 5. Okay, 5 4s are 20. So again here you will get 0. Divide and see from 5 children. You have to get here 0. Okay, 0. 5 5s are 25. This you have studied how to divide from any number. Okay, why we got here 0 you have studied in previous class. Okay, so 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Then again it is 81 you see. This last digit is how much? 1. Is this divisible by 2? No. 3, yes, because 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains 21. 3 7s are 21. Again 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Okay children? Okay. Now x is equal to square root of, here I have taken square, 5 square, 3 square, 3 square. Is it not? You can write now square root of 5 square into 3 square into 3 square, that is equal to square root of 5 square is nothing but 5, 3 square is nothing but 3, 3 square is nothing but 3. So x is equal to 5 3 is a 15, 15 3 is a 45. So what is the meaning of this? X is equal to number of rows is equal to 45, and even number of plants in each row is equal to 45. Okay children, number of rows is 45 and even number of plants in each row is 45. Okay, now that is what number of rows is 45. Okay, and number of plants in each row is 45. Okay, now ninth main, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers 4, 9 and 10. Okay, how to find out? This I have already taught in example. Okay, see here, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9, 10. So first what you have to do? The smallest multiple, common multiple. Okay, so that we can we can calculate through LCM. Okay children, so therefore LCM of 4, 9, 10 is 4, 9, 10. 2 2s are 4. You have to find out the LCM. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 9 is not divisible. So write as it is. Then again 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 2 as it is, 5 as it is. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. So you will get how much you get here? 180. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. Okay. Now here, see here, therefore LCM of 4, 9, 10 is how much? 180. So that you have to take here 180. Okay, 180 is equal to what you got here? Already you have done here. The LCM you have done now. That factors only, all prime factors, is it not? All factors you can take here. 180 here. 2 has pair, 3 has pair, but 5 does not have pair. So therefore, multiply both the sides. 180 into 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, we multiplied here 5. Another one we add we multiplied. So 5 0 is 0, 5 8 is 44, 5 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So square root of 900 is equal to 2 3 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. Okay, square root of 900 is 30. So 10th is, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers 8, 15 and 20. See children, is this correct? Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Numbers 4, 9 divisible it is. What? The last we'll see here once again. Multiplied means we can multiply, but divisible we have to divide, is it not? Once again, let's see this. Yes children, we have to multiply here. Okay, what the 180 into 5 is equal to this is multiplied by 5. It is exactly correct what I have done here. Square root of 900 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 30. Okay, square root of 900 is equal to 30. Now next I have given for homework y means the same. Okay, 9th and 10th same pattern. That means same method you have to do in same method. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers 8, 15, 20. Okay, 8, 15, 20. First method is what? First step you have to find out the LCM. You will get one answer here. Then for that you have to find out the factors. Factors already you will find in the LCM. Is it not? The same factors you can write, and then which is not having pair, that you have to multiply both the sides. Then you will get to what is that? Square root of that number. Okay children, so please try to do it. Okay children, bye.